Bioidentical Hormone Replacement Therapy, BHRT, is a breakthrough in hormone health, offering natural solutions for imbalances. It helps ease menopause symptoms, mood swings, and weight gain, restoring balance and well-being. Unlike synthetic options, BHRT uses plant-based hormones identical to those in the body. This personalized therapy is backed by research, reducing risks like osteoporosis and heart disease. At Renew, we customize BHRT to your unique health needs, ensuring optimal results. Take control of your health. Schedule your consultation today and experience the BHRT difference.